Hi guys, Mr. Collins coming at you with a second part of this video for 5C. So we've got question C, so moving on to part C here. So I just need to make sure we've got here we are. So C, find all values for which f of x is equal to 0. So in this case you've got f of x is 3x plus 4 and you want to find when that whole function is equal to 0. So you've got one variable. What you do is you just use inverse operations to make x the subject. So divide by 3 there. So f of x is equal to 0 when x is equal to negative 4 on 3. Last one, inequalities. For all values for which f of x is greater than 2x. So once again, f of x we know is 3x plus 4, and we want to find when it is greater than 2x. So you're just substituting in what f of x is with the function you're trying to find what it's greater than. So in this case, you've got x on both sides. You want to get them onto one side, so take away 2x. So you've got x plus 4 is greater than 0, and then x is greater than negative 4. Okay, so remember you only flip the inequality sign when you divide or multiply by a negative number. Okay, so f of x is greater than 2x whenever x is greater than negative 4. Okay, so a couple of examples of that in your book as well. You can have a look at example 12 as well if you want to go through another one, and that should help you out there. Okay, one more quick definition that's used in exercise 5C is the idea of the image and pre-image, which sounds confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you see a couple of examples. So the image is the value or image produced by performing a function, while the pre-image is the number needed to put into a function to get a solution. So that's a bit wordy, but if you have a look at an example, you'll find that it's nothing new for you guys. So with A, find the image of 2 would just be sub in x equals 2. So the image produced when x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to 3 times by 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So image of 2 is 8. So think of 8 is what you've produced from putting 2 into your function. So the image that you produced from that function. Find the pre-image of 8. So that means what x value do you need to put in to produce a value of 8? So in this case, f of x is all equal to 8. And you just find what the x value would be when the whole function is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 3x plus 2. Take 2 away. So 3x is equal to 6, and then x would be equal to 2. So you can see, which makes sense, as the image of 2 is 8, so the pre-image of 8 is 2. Okay, might just run through one quick example. We've got about a minute 20 left here, so we can have a look at find the image of 4 for f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So the image of 4 is just f of 4. So when x is equal to 4, what value does it produce? 2 times by 4 plus 3 would be equal to 11. And you could also pause the video here and find the pre-image. So find the pre-image of 6. So have a crack at that. Look back at the previous example, and then I'll have a look at what I've done. So the pre-image of 6 is when the whole function equals 6 is equal to 2x plus 3. So take away 3, 3 is equal to 2x, and therefore x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Good luck, guys.